Good evening. We had another fairly chilly day outside. We had temperatures in the mid 40s for highs for most of us this afternoon. Not before we had cloudy conditions this morning, and many of us probably thinking, okay, what's going to fall from the sky? But as we hit into the afternoon, we saw conditions clear up, and we saw those temperatures climb up a bit in the afternoon. Now, temperatures are in the 30s now this evening, and will probably stay that way overnight. And this is ahead of a storm system moving into our region early tomorrow morning. Now, currently outside, we have a temperature of 46 degrees. Again, this is as of 4 p.m. this evening. Dew point of 24. This makes for a relative humidity of 42%. The winds are out of the south, currently at 5 miles per hour, and the barometer showing 29.93 inches and falling. Now I want to begin by looking at the radar tonight. We can see this line of showers, let's say over the Ohio Valley, extending back into Texas. Now to the north of that, we have a low pressure system located over the Great Lakes, producing moderate to heavy snowfall over Michigan, also into southern portions of Canada. This will continue off to the east over the next 24 hours, providing moderate to heavier snowfall over, let's say, northern Pennsylvania into upstate New York. Now, what does this mean for us? Well, ahead of this cold front tomorrow, we'll see temperatures in the mid 30s, let's say over the mountains, into the lower 40s as you head into the southern portions of our Piedmont, especially into Danville and Martinsville. Those temperatures will likely fall fairly quickly tomorrow afternoon as the precipitation moves through our area. Those temperatures begin to drop, and we'll see a transition from, let's say, rain in the morning to snow in the afternoon. You can see that a little bit better here on the forecast map. Again, the cold front's kind of hard to pick up on, but it extends down from the Great Lakes, let's say, through the mid-Atlantic and towards, let's say, Louisiana. Now, some moderate to heavy rainfall over the Gulf Coast states, but it begins to lighten as you head further to the north. We can see some, let's say, mixed precipitation over Virginia around 7 a.m. in the morning. But this will be mainly for locations west of the Blue Ridge. Now, as we head into, let's say, lunchtime, we can see low pressure located over the central Virginia and mixed precipitation with it, let's say occurring over Lynchburg, Appomattox, and Buckingham. But as you head westward, let's say into portions of Bedford and Roanoke counties, likely all snow by this point during the day. As we head towards 7 p.m., let's say that evening, we can see lighter snow over the majority of the state of Virginia, even some moderate snowfall over, let's say, Richmond, Virginia at this time. So what this means for us is that we'll probably have several hours of light snow at some point tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon. This could result in, let's say, about a half an inch to an inch of snow as a maximum across, let's say, the Lynchburg area. Locations to the west, let's say, in portions of Bedford County, Roanoke County, 2 inches of snowfall would not be out of the question. And some of the higher ridgetops could receive 3 inches, maybe even 4 inches as you head into, let's say, southeastern portions of West Virginia. Now, the liquid equivalent for the precipitation that will fall tomorrow, again, the heaviest amounts along the Gulf Coast, and still further to our north, let's say, into eastern portions of Pennsylvania, also in upstate New York, some half-inch totals here that you see in blue. Now looking at the 3-day forecast for Central Virginia on Tuesday, we'll have a high early in the day of 41 degrees. This is primarily before the precipitation arrives. Again, temperatures should begin to fall as we head towards lunchtime and especially the afternoon, rain changing to snow, anywhere from a half an inch to an inch, generally around the Lynchburg area. Locations to the west, again, picking up around 2 inches of snow. On Wednesday, we'll see those temperatures plummet into the lower 30s for Central Virginia. Low temperatures Wednesday night will probably be in the single digits for the majority of us. Wind chill values well below zero Wednesday night. Now, as we head into Thursday, much the same. Temperatures will likely be in the mid to upper 20s. Low temperatures not as cold, let's say in the middle teens, but we're looking at the risk from Wednesday into Friday of those pipes freezing because of these bitterly cold temperatures. There is some relief on the way, though, as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures will consistently warm up into the 50s by Sunday afternoon, and even a high of, let's say, 57 next Monday. So we have that to look forward to. There is this potential snowfall that could happen, let's say, Tuesday afternoon, but not much of a chance beyond this point. We look for even the potential of rainfall as we head into Sunday and Monday of next week. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's forecast. If there are any changes this week, I hope to get back to you here in the next couple of days. Have a great night.